The Age, the future of sustainable architecture. Sustainable design is the process that integrates the environment and their natural resources into the building design as a way to lower the carbon footprint and minimize the impact of new constructions into the world. It's a friendly approach that we as an architect should consider at the time we conceive our future cities. There are four main sustainable architecture strategies that can help to achieve a sustainable design, such as passive sustainable design, which are strategies that considers sun orientation, climate, and natural lighting and ventilation. Also, active sustainable designs, from which architects can consult with mechanical and electrical engineers to implement high-efficiency systems to take advantage of solar heat and wind to make the building function by itself. Choosing sustainable building materials from companies that use environmentally responsible manufacturing techniques or recycle materials. And natural resources management to take advantage of rainwater by capturing it and reusing it into the building. Now let's see how some of these strategies works on a formal sustainable building such as The Age. The Age is an office building located in the Swedish business district in Amsterdam. This project is conceived to consolidate the global financial firm Deloitte, which is a brand where dedicated professionals in independent firms collaborate to provide assurance, consulting, and related services to select clients. The PLP Architect Studio was responsible for the Age design, conceived as an open workspace where the work environment takes advantage of the flexibility that offers technology nowadays. The traditional office building usually has a fixed desk for every employee, which limits its vacancy, while the Age comes up with a new solution where over 2,000 employees work in a 1,000-seat desk building. This is possible because everyone is connected to the building via an app on their smartphone, with a system that controls the schedule of every worker and the meetings they will have that day. For the workspace, the system gives you available spots so you can choose where you want to work in the building. This concept is known as hot desking, and it's designed to encourage interaction between people and a more efficient and flexible use of available space. This app tracks your food preference, parking lots available, and it's aware of how you like lighting and temperature in your workspace. The building itself works with several strategies that make it sustainable for the environment. Into the passive sustainable design, the architects consider geometric form and orientation. The form is an irregular polygon designed in a way that each facade is uniquely detailed according to its orientation and purpose. The shape leaves an interior void in the form of a 15-story atrium facing north and allowing natural light and ventilation to reach the office spaces, also allowing stale air from the building to rise and access through the roof. The atrium is the social core of the building concentrated in one place, promoting the interaction between employees and a dynamic and collaborative work environment. It also works as a sound insulator, protecting the structure from the noise of the adjacent train tracks and highways. The H building has a positive energy balance, that is, the building can produce more energy than it consumes. This situation is possible thanks to its 6,000 square meters of solar panels that covers its roof and the south wall. Solar panels on the south facade provide enough sustainable electricity to power all smartphones, laptops, and electric cars. The architects also add an aquifer thermal storage, which consists of two 130 meters deep wells that connects to an aquifer that stores and distributes energy through a network of cables on the roof of each floor. Solar panels give light to the LED lighting system. The building uses an Ethernet-powered LED lighting system, which consists in 500 LED lights connected to the internet via these Ethernet cables, allowing them to be remotely controlled and adapted for use in real time. The last strategy of an active sustainable design is the technology and data management. Through 30,000 sensors in all the light panels, movement, light levels, humidity, temperature, and even carbon dioxide levels are processed. With this information, patterns are created which allow building managers to adjust the temperature and lights, as well as allowing them to assign more efficient cleaning and maintenance activities. One is the rainwater harvesting, from where rainwater is used to flush toilets and to irrigate outside gardens. And second, the garbage management. A daily waste management system was implemented to collect, weight, and record the garbage per occupant in order to continue reducing the building's carbon footprint as much as possible. In conclusion, the H building is an excellent example of how architecture can work hand in hand with the incorporation of new technologies and still be respectful with the natural environment. In this case, sustainable design helps to create a great atmosphere for workers, supported by natural resources of lighting, ventilation, and rainwater management. The design also demonstrates that the pursuit of a vibrant and collaborative working environment can be combined successfully with achieving the highest level of sustainability.